So I came across an interesting report from the National Survey on Drug Use and Health. This is a part of the National Household Survey on drug abuse. And apparently one of the questions they asked these adults is, are you pregnant? Right? So are you pregnant? Yes or no? And you can see they have a frequency distribution table here with the two choices, yes and no. So automatically we would be thinking that this variable, are you pregnant, is measured at the nominal level when there's two choices, yes and no. And you can see they assigned the value of 1 to the attribute yes and a value of 2 to the attribute of no. That way you could calculate some type of statistic. Remember, you need values for each attribute to be able to do some arithmetic procedure. What's very interesting in this report that's widely available online and certainly was probably printed and passed around to a bunch of people is they say the average was 1.97. So the average of the question, are you pregnant, is 1.97. This is silly. And here's the reason why this mean doesn't mean anything. Or another way of saying that is this sample mean computed on this variable, are you pregnant, is uninterpretable. You see, if you were to look at this 1.97, you'd see it's close to 2, right? Because the values range from 1 to 2. So you can see 1.97 is close to 2. So does that mean that they're a little bit pregnant? Does that mean that they really, really hope that they're not pregnant? I hope what you're seeing here is that this is uninterpretable because this is a nominal level variable. That is, you can't be a little bit pregnant, and you cannot be, I really, really hope I'm not pregnant. You either are a 1 or a 2. You are either pregnant or you are not pregnant. There's nothing in between. So to calculate a mean on a nominal level variable would be silly. It would be nonsensical because it is uninterpretable. The summary statistic that you'd want to calculate for a nominal level variable is simply the frequency distribution, which we can see here. That would be the appropriate way to describe this data. It certainly would be wholeheartedly laughable to calculate a mean on a nominal level variable. Very, very interesting.